Good afternoon, everyone. Kasama po natin si Ma'am. Isa po siyang lead passer, ngunit hindi po siya nag-take ng 4-year course teacher education. Ma'am, please introduce yourself po.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako po si Ma'am Carmela Salva. 4 na taon na ako nagtuturo sa Dr. Nelson Aimia National High School dito po yan sa Libmanan District. So, ang course na kinuha ko noong college ko is Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Major in Corporate Transcription. Kumuha ko ng 18 units sa University of Nueva Cáceres para sa education. At kasalukuyan ako kumukuha ng Masters of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management at UNC pa rin.
Ma'am Carmela, may mga ilang katanungan lamang po kami para sa iyo. Nais namin malaman, since isa ka pong teacher na hindi nag-take ng 4-year teacher course education. Una po, what are the difficulties in you were experiencing in teaching?
Tungkol sa mga difficulties, siguro marami. Marami kang may encounter na difficulties, lalo na sa mga katulad ko na hindi talaga graduate ng 4-year course education. Unang-una, yung papaano gagawin ang lesson plan. Since 6 months lang kami nag-aral, kumuha ng unit sa education. Pangalawa, iba yung environment na inaral ko ng 4 na taon doon sa environment ng school. Pangatlo, difficulties on how to manage students. Kasi ang estudyante lalo na sa DepEd, diverse dyan. Iba't ibang kwento ang mapapakinggan mo sa mga bata yan. So, napakahirap kasi papaano ka a-adjust sa ganung environment. Pang-apat, difficulties or sabihin natin na challenges. Kasi sa school, iba siya. Never na ulit yung nangyari kahapon sa nangyari ngayon. Kumbaga, kasi sa office, yung course na graduatean ko, kung ano yung ginawa mo kahapon, yun yung gagawin mo ngayon at sa mga susunod na araw. Pero sa school, hindi. Yun yung pinaka mabigat na challenge sa isang guro. Parang hindi mo siya mamememorize yung mga gawain mo kasi everyday iba ang mangyayari. Siguro yung paano i-deliver yung lesson kasi ibang-iba siya sa course ko, pero still may knowledge naman. Kailangan lang talagang advance ng study para sa lesson na i-deliver mo. Pero ang kagandahan niyan, since 4 na taon na ako, parang medyo okay na, familiar na sa ating mga topic. Okay na, kaya na.
So, for the next question po, ma'am, do you agree that 4-year teacher education course is a better preparation for the teaching profession?
Sabi ng mga expert, parang walang hindi mo siya kayang sagutin kung mas better ba daw yung 4-year course, graduate ka ng education sa PhilHealth. Pero para sa atin, may advantage siya. Lagi siyang may advantage since kayo nakafocus talaga doon sa education. Kami kasi hindi. Though may mga subjects kami na pareho ninyo, pero darating talaga yung second, third year, fourth year, iba na ang tinatahak natin. Ako ang tinatahak ko na para sa business, kayo naman sa education. Para sa akin, may advantage. Maraming advantages. Meron ang isang estudyante na ang tinatahak talaga is 4-year education course. Una, hindi ako nagkakamali. Iniisa-isa kung paano gumawa ng lesson. Pangalawa, tinuturuan kayong tumayo sa unahan na isa talagang professional na teacher. Pangatlo, very kayo sa grammar, lahat ituturo sa inyo yung mga knowledge na kailangan nyo, lalo na sa mga majorship nyo. Tapos yung knowledge na lalo na dun sa majorship nyo, kung ano yung natutunan nyo doon, yun talaga yung gagamitin nyo pag nakapasok na kayo sa DepEd. Unlike sa amin, yung knowledge na mayroon ako, ibang-iba siya. May mga subjects naman magagamit, pero hindi lahat. So,
Ma'am Carmela, for the last question po, if you were given a chance to study again, are you willing to take a teacher education course? Why or why not? And what do you think the advantages of teachers who finish education course?
natanong ko sa sarili ko dati, yung time na nahihirapan ako kasi isang major sa senior high. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, medyo wala akong prior knowledge pagdating dito sa isang topic. Lalo na parang economics, applied economics ata yun. Sabi ko, kung mabibigyan talaga ako ng pagkakataon, gusto ko kasi iba ang advantages noong nakapag-aral ka talaga ng education sa loob ng 4 na taon. May mga pagkakataon pa niyan, may co-teacher ako na parang nakita niya lang yung topic, alam niya kung, so parang relax siya. Unlike sa akin na, kailangan ko mag-double time, mag-restudy or mag-advance study para malaman lang ang isang topic na ito. So, isa yon sa mga advantages noong graduate ka ng 4 years. Kasi ang alam ko, lalo na pag major mo talagang, yan yung gagamayin mo. Yun yung pag-aaralan mo sa loob ng ilang taon.
Good afternoon everyone. Today po nandito po kami kay Sir at siya po yung ikalawa namin napili na aming i-interview po. Siya po ay isang lead passer, ngunit hindi po siya nag-take ng 4 years teaching education course. Sir, please introduce yourself po.
I am Carlo Magno V. Abad. I graduated from college with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Agricultural Economics, and with method of teaching in Ateneo Dinaga University. Currently, I am a public school teacher in Northern Plain High School located at Patagdigmanan, Camarines Sur.
Okay, so may ilang mga katanungan lang po kami, sir. Una po, what difficulties are you experiencing in teaching?
Well, I experienced difficult part of teaching when I taught a subject which is not aligned to my field of specialization. And there are times when students can seem uninterested in learning and disruptive to the classroom environment, which I consider as the crucial part in teaching.
So the next question po, sir. Do you agree that 4-year teacher education course is a better preparation for the teaching profession?
Yes, I agree for your teacher education course is better preparation for teaching profession because for me it is the most comprehensive teaching education program that being designed to become a competent teacher.
And the last question na lang po, sir. If you given a chance to study again, are you willing to take teacher education course? Why or why not? And what do you think are the advantages of teacher who finish education courses?
Well, if I have a given a chance to study again, yes, I am willing to take teacher educational course because aside from my personal growth, it is a chance to enhance my knowledge with regards to the contemporary learning strategies. And the advantage of this 4-year teacher educational course it is a long process compared with the by taking methods of teaching. So this teaching educational program is a long process for exploring different learning pathways.
So, thank you so much, sir, for your time and effort. Thank you,
You're
sir.
very
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
My name is Jumel Ilyamas. My baccalaureate degree is Bachelor of Science, Industrial Technology, major in Electrical Technology. Currently, I am a COS instructor in Central Bicol State, University of Agriculture, Sipocot. What difficulties are you experiencing in teaching? As of now, experience in teaching, I think difficulties na na-experience ko is about sa mga paggagawa ng lesson planning. So, yun lang naman. Then, syempre, difficulties pa rin yung kung paano yung pinaka-flow talaga ng pagtuturo. Halimbawa, sa 4A's instruction. So, minsan nakakaligtaan ko yung gawin. Lalo na kapag nasa college ka po nagtuturo. Do you agree that a 4-year teacher education course is better preparation for the teaching profession? Siyempre po, oo. Kasi sa 4 years mo na nag-aaral sa teaching, halimbawa example, BS Ed ka or BS Elementary, ganun. So, mas better yung preparation mo, lalo na sa teaching profession. Kasi pag nagdating sa board exam, so parang ano na lang gagawin mo dun, mastery na lang yung pagre-review mo. Unlike sa amin na mga unit earner, so talagang mabusisi kami pag-aaralan yung mga topics nyo. Example, sa board exam kasi, yung ginawa ko, lahat ng mga nakita ko doon bago sa akin. So hindi kasi as a unit earner, kumbaga shorten yung pag-aaral namin pagdating sa teaching profession. Kaya for me, kahit unit earner ako, mas better pa rin ang preparation ng mga 4 years education course. For me, kung bibigyan ako ng chance na makapag-aral pa ng teacher education, kung willing pa ba akong mag-take ng education, kung bibigyan ako ng pagkataon na makapag-aral ulit ng teacher education, willing ba ako? Yes po. Bakit? Kasi simula pa lang talaga, history ko dapat is teacher dapat yung course ko. Yung BTLED yung BTLED BSIE, Bachelor of Science Industrial Education. But, nung pag-enroll ko, tinanggal ko yung BSIE. Kaya, napadpad ako sa Industrial Technology, which is, hindi ko naman pinagsisisihan. Kaya, ngayon, naging teacher na rin ako. So, parang, humaba lang yung proseso. Kasi nag-additional ako ng isang semester para mag-aral. So, yes po, anak ako. Willing pa akong mag-aral ko. Kung mag-aaral ako. What do you think are the advantage of teachers who finish their education course? So, ang advantage po ng education course, kapag graduate ka ng education, unang-una, sa board exam, sabi ko kanina, more on mastery na lang po yung gagawin nyo kasi simula first year hanggang fourth year yung mga possible na topics doon. Halimbawa, yung mga teaching, professional education, so napag-aralan nyo po talaga yun. So, advantage nyo naman yun. Unlike sa amin na mga unit earner, so, kumbaga, shorten yung course na shorten yung time na pag-aaral ko sa professional education. Then, advantage din po ng mga graduate ng 4 years course ng education. So, kapag, isa pang advantage ng graduate ka ng education is medyo madami ka pong choices kung saan mo gustong mag-work. Halimbawa, office works, ganun, non-teaching personnel. Then, kahit nga po sa uniform personnel, pwede ka pong pumasok. Yan din po yung hinahanap ngayon ng mga uniform personnel, which is na graduate ng mga education courses. Kasi po, sanay yung education courses na magsalita sa unahan. Marami pang iba.